Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the Q&A visual. This visual makes Power BI more easy to use. We click on the Q&A visual. Load more suggestions. Here I can see total sale by country, so I click on it. So it gives me clustered bar chart, then I click on turn this Q&A into standard visual. Similarly, I click on Q&A visual again. And I pick the total units sold over time. As you can see, we haven't done much so far. The AI in Power BI is making it easy for us. We will pick the average profit for each country. I will change it to pie chart as my need and change it to sum of profit as I don't need average profit. Here I write total revenue by segment, but instead of revenue it gives me total profit by segment. So I click on the settings. Click on synonyms and add revenue as synonym to sales. Now it gives me total revenue or sales by segment chart. I will also add total profit by segment. And make it a donut chart. Now I will add new card visual and add total profit and total sales to it. Change its layout from single row to single column. My dashboard is ready in only 3 minutes.